So I get a lot of requests for what does this exhaust sound like. So we post sound notes and things like that. But also, this exhaust comes with a baffle in it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a video with the baffle in and with the baffle out. Let y'all hear the difference. All right, the baffle's out, and let's start it up. So as you can tell, this is really not that much louder, so it's worth it to do it just for the little bit of power you gain. And it sounds much, much better.